Hello my friends, I'm Swatina Pandit. Today I'm going to tell about our science and technology, how our science and technology help us in which way, and how we can take the help of our science in our future life also, because our technology in our hand means you can see our whatever you are using, everything is technology based. If it can be your laptop, computer, electricity, everything. Even if you cook, whatever you are using, everything you are using technology. So nowadays we are living in a technological world. Technology has a great value in our present life. So now I am going to tell about how technology can help us in our future life, because that's a big problem, and in our future life maybe some problems arise, like we are using coal or petrol for our vehicles, but one day will come that they will be finished from the earth system, because they are non-renewable sources. Even if you can take coal, that also are non-renewable sources. Many things are there are non-renewable sources. They one day will come, they will be vanished, because we are in our earth. How much people are, we are minimum, how much, if you can count also how many people are using them, and how much means how much means if we are using the energy non-renewable sources every time, then one day will come they will be finished. Then it's not a it's not a joke, it's seriously telling, one day will come they will finish, because they are non-renewable sources, and we can get back also. But we can get back only one thing, that is renewable energy, like solar system or wind system, or we can take the help of our green energy, means ecosystem, or anything means they are non-renewable sources. No doubt we are using wind, or we are using also water system for getting electricity, but in India we are not using huge amount of solar system, as we are actually get more amount of heat from the sun. And seriously telling, in India we are very much suffering, means it's a hot country, seriously telling, but we are not using the solar system properly. But solar system can help us in a great way. Have you if you can analyze, solar system can help you in a very efficient way, like you can get electricity, even if you can get it can help you like petrol, diesel. How that maybe comes in your mind, that how it can help you, means solar pathway. That is based on solar energy, that is a technological base, that is 3 layer. How it can help you, there is something present in our, that may be so costly pathway, that may be so costly road, but it can help us in a very different way. It can help us, means the solar pathway, it can help us in means any it can help us in a very great way, and it can avoid accident also. Even if in solar pathway, it can help the vehicles to get energy, electric energy from run, means whenever any vehicle run on the solar pathway, it can get electricity from there also. So even if there are BMW cars are, no doubt there means now science is developing. So we think that one day will come, we will get that kind of car which is charging type of car, means already science is developed, even if we also got also, but still I want that everywhere in vehicles, even in car vehicles, or any more 2 tire or 3 tire or 4 tire, everywhere we should use electricity, and that also from solar energy, from the renewable sources, because no guarantee of our non renewable sources, but we can give guarantee to our renewable sources, that will not be finished one day, or that will not finish one day. So we can use our renewable energy for our electricity. So solar system can help us in a various ways, like you can take any example, it can help us like to get the electricity, it can help us to to cook the food, or for vehicles like petrol, diesel, means electricity, are also electricity. So solar energy can help us in a very different, very efficient way. So why should we use it? As it can help us in means it can save our money. As India, most of the people are very poor. Seriously telling, very poor places, very poor people also there. We are suffering from financial because nowadays, day by day, due to the means dollar currency is increasing. According to that, our currency, our value, means market value price is also increasing. Even if petrol, diesel, whatever you will buy, everywhere the price is increasing. So here only one thing can save us, that is our technology. If you will use our efficient technology, that can help us in a very efficient manner. Like you can take means this petrol, diesel, means instead of using the petrol, diesel, we can use the science like solar system also. So solar system or any kind of wind energy or water system can help us here also. So in everywhere you will see that our solar energy or our renewable sources can help us in a great way. So why shouldn't use it? It can help us, and it can give the many it can solve unemployment problem also, because if you use new technology, many engineers will be there involved there. So it can help us to solve the unemployment problem, and it also give many people to work there. And it can help we can give that give that means sell our product in foreign market also. So if technology has various effect, it can help us in a financially, it can help you in a help you as a developed country. So we all should adopt this rule. We can take the help of our technology to make our country a developed country, and we can solve the unemployment problem, as well as it can help you in a very efficient manner. This is the solar energy. Now I am going to tell about my project matter, that is the neural immune system. That how we can take the help of neural immune system. Sorry, neural immune system. That how we can take it. Means it is a soft computing based project. Means how we can help this. Means sorry, neural immune system, that is artificial immune system. Why it is called as artificial immune system? Means in our body we are, when we are there are neurons are there, dendrite or axon, dendrite, everything is there. Well, there are so much kind of there are many neurons are there all over our body. So what it help us? It give the messages, it send the messages, stimuli, or whatever you can say. It also it all over our body. So in which way it help us? Even if in our body, antigen, antibody, everything is there. So it help our body to protect from the foreign pathogens, which actually help us to from the foreign particles or any viruses. So like that, that is happening in our body. So scientists thought that if something our body is so much developed, means our body's internal organ, there is so much technical thing is there. Means seriously telling, if you find that from our nature, everywhere you will find something different. You will find that our nature is most intelligent, most developed than us, because they know, because even if everywhere you will see that how our technology is based on our nature. So here, if something is there which can protect us from the foreign pathogen, means if you suffer from any disease, means any serious kind of disease, measles, take it measles. If once you are suffering from measles, then second time when that pathogen or when that foreign particle or virus will attack you, at that time your pathogen or antibody detect that okay, that virus is that measles. So at that time they just protect your body, they just protect your body at that time, that have that fight with them at that time, that help you. So like that, that is happening in our body. So when this thing happens in our computer, means computer, in our computer there is internet. For internet, hackers are there. Internet means hacker will be there. So we can't save ourselves from the hackers, because it's their duty, they will hack you. So we can't means protect them, but we can do one thing. We can develop ourselves, we can develop our security system, how we can be more secure. So through this artificial immune system is telling that how our body pathogens or antibodies, how our antibodies or antigens help us from the foreign particles. At that time it also teaches like that, it helps us in our artificially, that how we can save ourselves from the hackers or viruses. It also helps us like any kind of, it's a different technology, or it's a different technology. Really I love this chapter, because I know that it is means I have told my ma'am, that one ma'am is taking that. Yes, he has told me that it is means MTech level research paper, but I love, because especially I love my biology, that's why I have taken this. I feel something different is here. I don't know whether I will be successfully here or not. Yes, I am now, I am only 4th year student, and even if I am not so much I don't know, but how much I am so much talented, I don't know, but still I am trying my best to be a good engineer, and that's a different thing. But still then I'm trying my best, because I'm trying that how I can develop here, how I can be how I can get some good news from this, means how I can get some collect some news about this computer security. Because from my beginning I love to computer, there is a special importance for computer security, because most of the time my Facebook hack, even if my computer means most of the virus is a very important issue for my laptop. So here I am telling that for me security is a great. That's why I passed up, even if I have taken in my seminar paper hacking. That's why, because I can help myself, and now also I have taken this artificial neural system for this cyber crime, means how to save our computer system, how to save ourselves from the hackers. So I think that our science help you in a very different way. It can help us in a very efficient way. So here I am telling that use your science, but not use your science in a negative way. Science is developed, it it can help you in any matter. You can take any example like neural that is atom bomb or nuclear energy. Nuclear energy has great power that can give you electricity, but it also has a negative effect. It can destroy a place totally. So if science has a positive effect, it also has negative effect also. Even if everywhere everything has a positive effect along as negative effect, but if you take it in a positive way, then it can help you in your future, and it can help you in a great way. So here I am telling that just use your technology, just use your science for in a positive way. Don't take your science in a negative way. Be always do something for your for your country. If you are educating yourself, if you are educating your mind, always try to educate your mind, because everyone is doing, everyone is reading, but how much you are actually doing what is really right. So here I am just telling that use your technology, always try your best to give your best effort here. I am telling that I am suffering, because most of the time I felt many times also, even if I had also many regret them, even if I never felt that I will be in this person one day, because when I was child I was a very good student at that time, but after coming my plus 2 level, I failed in every time. Means fail means not that I failed means I failed to success. I failed most of the time. Even now also my one dream that getting medical, so I didn't get. So slowly I lose most of the time. But still then there is something in my mind that yeah, okay, if something going wrong means yeah, I can overcome that. I can do my life in further also. I can help myself. I can further take any new dream to make my dream into reality. My dream is to make do something for mankind, do something different, and I don't know whether I will be successful or not. And I am not telling that I am so talented. That's the my big problem, that whether I will be successful or not. But still I always try my best, even if sometimes many injustices happening with me. Sometimes I also get something different kind of pressures, means unexpected result, many kind of means terrible feeling is that at the time when you really labor hard, when you are know that something is going wrong, still then you can't do anything. That's the problem. Most of the time I become frustrated. My frustration is not any kind of love matter, seriously telling. I too had that matters, because now I'm a student, and now my prime priority is my education or etc. But I don't think about that. But my actual problem is my own career, own success is my great thing, and that will be with me, because I know that once you will be success, then you can get everything whatever in your life, what you actually want in your life. So now my success, my education, my is things are very much important. And sorry, I am just telling about the technology matter, and I'm talking about myself. So now I'm going to tell about whatever life I am enjoying that. Now also I am enjoying that. I forget about what is happening, but now I'm going to tell about technology. And you should always take your technology in a positive way, and these two are very important. One is solar energy, which I have told first of all. Second one is about my project matter, means that is artificial immune system or artificial intelligence, whatever you can say. You can take this science to help you to develop your new kind of things, and it can help you a very lot. Even in soft computing, these are the new things, new research paper. You can take this paper, and then it can help you in a great manner. Except this also, even if I have means there is so much there is to science which comes in my mind, how to have in sound technology, means which actually I have thought, means which comes in my mind about that, means how we can help us, and how we can capture any kind of means rap matter or any kind of news, any means that is a different kind of technology which I actually comes in my mind, and I actually research on that. But I failed to know that I am also trying for that, means how we can get that is a science technology, means in which way you can detect any kind of accident or any kind of rape matter, or when any person suffer from something, means any rape matter, means at that time a person will means a person will be shouted at that time, or if any accident or any kind of disaster will be there, that at that time what will a person do? Of course that person will be shout, or any kind of problems will be there, any kind of robbery, or at that time people will shout. At that time that sound technology help us to capture there is a normal speech, right? So quick that if a person if that speech is greater than that, then that person, then that sound technology, just capture that sound and send it a signal to another place, and at that place they will just detect what is happening. So according to it is also it can detect it can detect any area, then which area there should be any protocol, like our protocol in our network system, like a protocol we can there should be any different address on a particular particular area. So it is a different kind of technology which comes in my mind, that it can help you in which matter. So I don't know whether I'll be success or not, but still that is actually going from my last year, from my last semester. And now also I am not getting any kind of help, so it is just continuing. Even if now also many things is continuing in my mind, but I just stopped down because it's my last year and I have to think about my career right now. My parents has told me that just stop your that research paper for 1 year. After that, when you will get MTech or when you will get any research kind of thing, after that for a whole life you will do your research work, no problem with all. But now at least you are taking the you are suffering from this kind of things, means many kind of injustice is happening, means whether I don't know what is happening with me, means sometimes I get means unexpected result. So always focus on that what is actually right now for important for you. After when you will be in that position to do anything different or research anything or to invent something, at that time you will do at that time. But now seriously you just concentrate, because from my childhood days I always give more importance what I can do something new. Even if I remember when I was a child, at that time I love chemistry, means our teacher has told that to chemicals, if you miss that there will be any sound or anything, something has told me that, means gases are evolving. So in my when that always comes in my mind, what is happening. So at that time spirit was there, I have seen. So I have told, what I have done, means I have bring all the means liquids, means whatever liquid, spirits or any even if haldi, means my mom's sindoor, everything I just missed and see the mechanical what is actually happening there. I'm just looking at that, okay, my god, this is happening. And I just told my friends that, see, I have done this way, this is also. Then my friends laugh at me, hey, what is you are doing, teacher has told me that is a chemical, what you are doing. I love this. I just want to see that what is actually evolving here. If we'll miss these chemicals, what is actually happening. Even if this is not a selfie, even if one day my friend also, she also trying this, and we just quarrel. So she told me that if you will do like this, then I will drink this. So from that day actually there was a severe fighting was there at that time, and from that day I have decided that I will not show these things to my friends, because they are taking in a negative way. If they will drink that, then I will be face the problem. So after that I have promised myself that I will not show any this kind of things to my friends, because they are very much sensitive. Because whether I know that I am very strong from my mind, no doubt. I means many problems comes in my mind, but I am very strong, means every time I just tackle my situation. No doubt I am very silent right now, because I suffer a lot, seriously telling. Whatever I am now, I suffer a lot, means no doubt financially I am not suffering, but I suffer from my dream. I suffer from my problems, and my educational problem, my dream problem, my career matter, many things comes, and that's why I'm suffering. But this kind of thing, even if my friends also call me that I always ask the doubts in my college life also. My friends has given me a new name, that is doubt box or doubt box or doubt man. Many things has given, but I'm just telling everyone that always focus on that. Don't forget, don't just, if others are telling anything about you, don't always forget that, just ignore that. Always do focus on yourself, what you can do. So here I'm telling, if you are doing something good for your country, that is good, means you are developing your mind, as well as you are helping your country technologically. Technology can give you a great result, can help your country and to a developed country. You don't know, but it's really help you directly or indirectly. It can help you a lot. So always do something great for your country, for a citizen, for your world. No doubt I am living in my India, but it doesn't mean that I can help others also. For me, my country is one, that is humanity. That is, I love my country. It doesn't mean that I'll forget my humanity. For me, my humanity, my education, my everything, and I always focus on that. whatever I will do, that should be good for others, not good bad for others. That thing I always care for that. So hope you all like this video. Hope you all should give more importance on education, that is on technology, how we can do something good for others. So hope you like this video. Thank you all. Use your technology for in a good manner. Thank you.